2023 IC school bus passenger glass window replacement. We have one that's broke. So first step is remove the side trim. Got 4 screw heads on each side. You can see I removed this side already. And then the seat back, or remove the seat completely. This one, to get the seat back, there's 2 bolts. One's visible, the other one you got to pull the cushion up a little bit, but all you have to do is loosen that one a little bit so it stops the pinching action. You can leave that in there, but remove the bottom bolts, and then that seat back will pull right up and out. There is urethane in each corner of the window, kind of sealing it in. Take a little razor blade and trim and cut that out. And then if you got 2 people, it'd be better. I'm taking a screwdriver and prying on the window channel. This is going to go in, down, and then out. You can see all the urethane there holding the glass in, so I'm going to take a utility knife and slice that down on each side. Now that I got it pried back a little bit. Slowly getting it there. Bottom too to cut. Just keep working your way around with I'm using just a putty knife that's sharp enough on the edges to just get in there and slice that all around. And there we go. I'm going to go inside now and pull it in. Okay, so I pulled that window out, and this is a step that I skipped, but might be wise to do because this urethane is real stringy and wet yet, is run either some tape or masking paper on the bottom and around and over your seats, so you got less cleanup time with this stuff pulling and dropping on everything. So now I'm gonna work on changing the broken glass. First step will be taking the screws off each side on the channel. You'll have to take them both out on each side on the bottom, but you could leave the center one in, but I took this one off too. I left the top on one side. So I removed the left-hand channel, the bottom, and there's a little bit of silicone or sealer in each corner. You just gotta gently pry away. But I also mark everything where it is. I had a mark on here and put one on here. So I reassemble it the same way yet. This bus being a 23, that original gasket on the window was still real soft and pliable. So I struggled with the new gasket for quite a while, trying to get it on by myself. If I had maybe 2 people to help hold it and stretch it around, that would have worked. But I am going to reuse the original gasket. That's got the nice square corners already, so I think that's going to help actually install it easier. I don't think we're going to have any leaks, but I will let you know. So as I'm reinstalling it, I'm just lubing this rubber lip. I just got some generic glass cleaner. I just lube it up real wet, and it slides in pretty good. I'm caulking the corners here. So I just lubed up the channel and the rubber on the left side there and just slid everything together. And I'll install the screws in the middle, and then I'll go to work on installing the bottom. On the inside now, getting ready to reinstall the window. Once again, this bus isn't very old, so the caulk and the weather stripping along the channel is in pretty good shape and soft. Most of the windshield guys don't remove all of this stuff, so I'm just picking off the high parts and the loose stuff. I'm just going to re-urethane some of it, or all of it, so along the channel here, and then reinstall it. I am working by myself, so I don't have a cameraman, so from the inside you just easily set that in the frame, and then reattach, get it pressed in there good. Make sure the silicone and urethane press out a little bit, and then tighten everything back up. Clean it up. We're back in business.